table that acts as a grid, a 3x3 grid. This is some CSS style which I've done before I even coded it, and this is the JavaScript. So as far as I've done a function that lights up. This code lights up the tile upon clicking it. So click it, it will light up blue. It uses the event. I've added it to each button. This one generates a number from 1 to 9, 1 to 9 inclusive, in which it will be called when it generates a random tile. This light sequence will light the corresponding tiles within in a sequence in order, and this is by iterating through the tile sequence, which is a map. A map is a key value pair set, a series of key and value pair dictionary that are set in order. The order in which the elements are set are in order. And so yeah, so in this video I will be now trying to code the game where the first round 1 tile is lit and you have to click that. The next round 2 tiles are lit and you have to click these in order, and so on. Like the third time 3 tiles, click them in order. It's like a memory game. So now let's begin. Let's continue on the code. So this is where I've left off here. Each round, add a new tile to the sequence. Okay, so add to sequence and light the sequence. So the map starts empty, no key values, and you add to the sequence and then you light them up. So let's go. So I am going to not let the user click anything, so I am going to have a function that removes event, or I'm going to have a function that a way to find I have to get a way to figure out that to not enable the buttons to light up when you click this. So let's do a boolean, a global variable. So this is false, so I want to make sure that whenever a sequence is playing, when a new round starts, a sequence will start playing, and you don't want the player to click right away, so you have to set it to false. This one has to be false, so yeah. So I'm gonna play around, and I'm gonna do clicking enabled equals false, and just to put a note here, prevent player enable true means enable player to click the tiles. Alright, yeah, so I forgot to change the theme. Oh yeah, this plays a noise. I added some noise sound effects. I have added a noise sound effect to this, so yeah. I forgot to change the theme, so I will do it. No, it's preferences. No, file. No, preferences. Color theme. This is the contrast theme I've been using recently, so this is better since you can see comments better. Personally, I like this theme because it's pretty cool. It's pretty dark. I'm not sure about you guys. So, yeah. I am going to now set this enabled. Where was the function I have left off? I keep on losing it's here, play around. So, do not enable player to click the tiles while the round plays. So, and you add a sequence sequence. So I have to play the sequence, which is this method, and light sequence will be oh wait, let's keep it here. Let's set this to false in the light sequence just to make sure that this method does one thing, and this method, the only time where the sequence plays is the only time where the player cannot click any buttons is when the sequence is lit. So and I'm going to set a timeout until after the whole sequence is played. 1 second after, I'm going to allow the player to click. Sound because it's kind of annoying. Never mind, I'll just mute it. So right now, I am trying to get a way to find out if the player has clicked the right tiles in order. So let's do something else. Let's try to figure out this part because this is the most trickiest part of the program. So I am thinking of adding global variables. So like a variable to display the number of clicks, and as well as a boolean to represent if represent that it's game over. So sequence map. The key is parallel to the round clicks. So, yeah. Set the tile to green. Player click the correct one. Else, set it to green to red and keep it red. Game over, loop true. And player cannot click any more tiles. So, as soon as the player clicks the wrong tile, it's game over. Game over. So yeah. So I'm trying to play one round. I am going to play one round to see if it's gonna work. So yeah, play one round. Click that. It's green. I'm gonna play another round, but it's red. And yeah, that is bad. That is what we wanted. So play one round. Click that. It's green. If you click the wrong tile, it is game over. So, oh yeah, I forgot to check. This has to be this will only run if the click enabled is true. So yeah. So like if this is true, it will allow the player to click. Let's try it again. Whoops. Yeah, I think I did not set it to true. The clicking enabled. Cannot access tile before initialization at click tile. Just for 40. That is as soon as the player gets the wrong tile. So that's not what we wanted. So I'll just check it here. I could just check it here. Yeah, okay, so now it works. So if the player clicks the right tile like that, the player will keep running. Okay, the player will be able to still click until it's wrong. Okay, so yeah. So let's see if we can connect. Let's see if we can play another round. That's my next goal of the program. So I got the program to play one round. Now I have to find a way. I have to find a way to play another round. So yeah. So maybe let's add some condition here. This may not be the best. Like, if the number of clicks reaches these tiles, reaches the tiles, is equal to round clicks, which is as soon as the player click count reaches the size of the map, aka byte that holds the sequence, play another round. And not game over. So the game over cannot be true, which is here. Play another round. In which cycles all over again. Play round. This function, play round. This one just adds a sequence and light up the sequence, and then get the player to pick. So let's try it. Let's add one. Click that. 1, 2, click, click. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if I can remember everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm getting pretty far. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. That's really bad. The game was over. So let's try to play another game. Let's see if I can try to break the game. This is for testing code. 1, 2. Okay. I have to get the game to play all of the tiles. So I have to make sure that the player cannot click any tiles. As soon as the player, as soon as the tiles are, the sequence is finished, then the player can start clicking. Because what I did here is that even though the sequence was still playing like this, I could still manage to click these tiles, so that's not good. Okay, so let's click. Let's see where is it falls. So play round. Add to sequence, light sequence. Because here we already had it fall, so I don't know why it's not setting it up. Maybe we could just do, we could add one to it because I'm not too sure, but we could probably lock this size as well because this is a property of the map. Maybe add it by 1 because I could play. This will be true when the map, when the sequence lights the last button, it's gonna be true. So let's try it. Let's play 3 rounds. Whoops, I managed to. Yeah, so there's a big delay. There's a instantaneous delay. There's no delay when I line up the whole sequence, so maybe just add 2. So it's a small sequence, there's a small delay between when the sequence ends and when the player can start clicking. So 1. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. Yeah. So probably that is probably too big of a delay. So let's do at 1.5. And it seems to work now. So what I'll then do is add some UI, to add some messages. So let's add some more paragraphs into this part. So let's add some more HTML, shall we? Let's do something else. Let's do a div here. Header. H2. Text here. practically done, so I am pretty happy with it. Let's do it. Round number. Round heading. This will display the round of the game. So I'm just gonna add some dummy text. And these are the messages. Game message here. And this will display the state of the game. So yeah, round XX, this will be the game. And I am going to allow it. So I am not going to make this GUI too pretty because I want to just at least get the game working. So when I play the round, I'm going to add to the sequence, which increase the map size by 1. And I'm going to do document greeley selector. Select that H element. What was that? It's round heading, so round heading dot text content equals round. Let's do it. Add string template round. $sign. Style sequence dot size. So updates the round number. And when the sequence plays, I'm going to set the border. Set it to lace white to let the player know that the sequence is playing. So let's just do like a whitish color. That's white. And then as soon as the player can play the sequence, set it to, oh yeah, let's just set it to white when the player can start clicking. So what was the style again? The table border is 2 pixel to double. Let's try it again. Round 1. Okay. Round 2. Okay, round 3. Yep. And round 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so I am going to now update the message. So yeah, let's try to set a message here. Welcome to Kyle's memory tile game. Okay, the sequence will get harder, and the player and you have us click the buttons. That's the message. So, and in the script, I am going to set the message here. Text content. Now click, just to inform the player that he could click. And I am going to also set it here. When the game over, when this is true, when the player fails to click in the right order, I am going to display game over and set the text color to red. Red, green, blue. And yeah. Whoops. Okay, click. Yeah, round 2. If I click the wrong sequence, it's game over. And now I have to try to get it to red. Text color. There you go. Yeah. Alright. I am going to. I'm just gonna not set the. Not gonna mind the color. Because. Yeah. I did not capitalize the color. I did not lowercase the letter. Put it in lowercase. So if the player clicks the wrong tile at one point, the game will stop running. And then I am going to. It's not gonna run anymore because game over will be true, in which this will not execute. So the game will not play any more rounds. And let's just clear the map. Let's just clear the map. Tile sequence clear. A tile sequence clear, I think. And log that. Let's just see it. Yeah, so it clears the map, so like this. So yeah, this is part of the game. Now, what I'm gonna do is I am going to run the game. I'm going to play the game on my own. Let's see how far I can get. So, let's do it. This is round 1. Okay. Click this. Now it's round 2. 1, 2. This. Round 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ouch. Apparently I forgot that I have to click another tile, so yeah. So I guess as of now I've managed to code a working game of memory tiles. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed me watching me code this program. It's not the best code out there, but at least I coded a working memory tile game. So drop a like if you have gotten your tingles, and I'll promise some more videos ASMR coding videos in the future. I am trying to get to 300 subs. My subs have been increasing. I am now at 271 subs, which is amazing. Thank you guys for your support, and I hope I get to 300 by the end of the year. So, have a good day everyone, and peace out.